In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to supplement your income without compromising your full-time job or personal life is essential. Side hustles offer a flexible solution for busy individuals looking to earn extra money. Whether you're saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or just want some extra spending cash, these easy side hustles can fit into your schedule with minimal disruption. Here are some simple yet profitable side hustle ideas to inspire you. Freelance writing and editing. Freelance writing is a versatile side hustle that can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. If you have a knack for words, you can offer your service for blog posts, articles, or even editing and proofreading. Sarah, a busy marketing executive, spends her evening and weekends writing blog posts for small businesses. She specializes in SEO content, helping her clients rank higher on search engine while earning extra income. Online tutoring. With the rise of online education, tutoring has become a lucrative side hustle. You can tutor in subjects you're knowledgeable about, whether it's maths, science, language, or even music. John, a full-time engineer, tutors high school students in math and physics via online platforms. He enjoys helping students and earns a substantial side income. Graphic design services. If you're skilled in graphic design, you can offer services such as logo creation, social media graphics, and marketing materials. Many businesses and individuals are in constant need of design work. And for this example, Emily, a graphic designer by trade, offers freelance design services on the side. She creates eye-catching social media posts and logos for small businesses, earning additional income without a significant time commitment. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, or social media management. David, a stay-at-home parent, works as a virtual assistant in the evening. He manages emails and schedules for a busy real estate agent, providing essential support while making money from home. Pet sitting and dog walking. For animal lovers, pet sitting and dog walking are enjoyable and flexible side hustles. You can offer services in your local area or set your own hours. Lisa, a full-time nurse, pet sits for neighbors during her off days. She enjoys the company of animals and finds it is a relaxing way to earn extra cash. Selling handmade crafts. If you're crafty, consider selling handmade items like jewelry, candle, and artwork. Platforms like Etsy make it easy to reach a global audience. Tom, an accountant, creates handcrafted wooden toys in his spare time. He sells them on Etsy and at a local craft fair, turning his hobby into a profitable side business. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research is a straightforward way to earn extra money. While it won't make you rich, it is an easy and low-effort side hustle. Karen, a part-time teacher, completes online surveys in her downtime. She earns gift card and cash reward, which she uses for shopping and dining out. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products online without holding inventory. You market products from a supplier and they handle the shipping. This model is ideal for those who want to start an e-commerce business without significant upfront costs. Mike, an IT professional, runs a dropshipping store selling fitness gears. He manages the online store in the evenings and the supplier ships product directly to customers. Renting out extra space. If you have extra space in your home, like a garage, basement, or spare room, consider renting it out. Platforms like Airbnb and storage rental sites makes it easy to find renters. Anne, a retiree, rents out her guest room on Airbnb. She enjoys meeting travelers and earn a steady income from the space she wasn't using. Content creation, YouTube, podcast, blogging. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, podcasts, or a blog can be a fun way to earn money. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or selling products. Alec, a digital marketing specialist, started a YouTube channel where he shares digital marketing tips. His channel has grown and he now earns from ads and affiliate marketing. And that brings me to the next idea: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales made through your referral links. This can be done through a blog, social media, or other online platform. Jessica, a lifestyle blogger, earns through affiliate marketing by promoting beauty products. She shares honest reviews and earns a commission on sale made through her blog links. Photography. If you have a passion for photography, consider offering your service for events, portraits, or stock photography. You can sell your photos online or work on a freelance basis. Nick, a software developer, offers weekend photography sessions. He specializes in family portraits and sells his nature photography as stock photos online. Reselling items online. Reselling involves buying items at a lower cost and selling them at a higher price. You can source product from thrift stores, garage sale, or clearance racks. Maria, a student, buys vintage clothing from thrift stores and resells them on platforms like Depop. She enjoys the thrill of finding unique pieces and making a profit. Freelance consulting. If you have an expertise in a particular field, consider offering consulting services. This can be done remotely or on a flexible schedule. Tim, an experienced HR manager, offers freelance consulting services to small businesses. He helps them with HR policies, recruitment, and employee training. Social media management. With businesses increasingly relying on social media for marketing, social media management has become a valuable service. You can manage accounts, create content, and engage with followers. Rachel, a college student, manages social media accounts for local businesses. She creates content calendars, posts updates, and interacts with followers, all while balancing her studies. These easy side hustles offer a range of opportunities for busy individuals to earn extra income without sacrificing their primary commitments. Whether you're looking to monetize a hobby, leverage a skill, or simply find a flexible way to make money, there's a side hustle that can fit into your lifestyle. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is finding something you enjoy and can commit to, even with a busy schedule. Start small, test the waters, and gradually grow your side hustle into a rewarding venture. So if you're ready to be your own boss and achieve financial freedom, it will be helpful if you can hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below of your favorite side hustle idea, and join our community. Thank you for watching, and until then, believe in yourself and keep chasing your dreams. You got this.